Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trance. Okay, so today we're gonna solve the previous question, right? Which is the follow-up question of the rat case, right? You remembered the rat and the poison bottle? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so just let me recap. So if we had been given 3 hours, we could have solved the question easily, right? But now the question is same. Okay, this question can be solved independently. Okay, so again you have 1,000 milk bottles. One of them is poisoned, right? You have 10 rats. Okay, do not bring any NGOs and all, okay, into this. Animal cruelty is not involved, it is just a question. You have 10 rats in 3 in the previous question you had 3 hours to find the poison bottle. Okay, and poison takes 1 hour to affect, right? Okay, so in today's question you have 1,000 milk bottles. This part remains same. One of them is poisoned. This also remains same. You have 10 rats. This remains same. Poison takes 1 hour to affect. This also remains same. But also these are the assumptions that feeding the rat takes no time and rats can consume infinite amount of substance. Okay. Now, what if instead of 3 hours I give you 1 hour to find the poison bottle? Now, how will you do it? First of all, can you even do it? The answer is yes, you can do it. Now let's see how. Now, earlier we were thinking in terms of division. That is why it took us more time. So what is faster than division? Any guesses? Any guesses? Exponentiation. Okay. Exponentiation or exponentiation corresponds to multiplication. So division will correspond to logarithm. Okay, logarithms. So what should the base be and how should you decide the base? You have 1,000 bottles, and among the 1,000 bottles you have one of them poisoned. So try to think it. Okay, pause this video right now. You're very close to a solution. Okay, think in terms of 1,000 and 10. Okay, this is the hint. Okay, so if you have thought enough, so if you understand that 2 to the power 10 is 1024, right? And what this means is instead of writing these digits in decimal, okay, decimal means where 0, 1 to 9 are the digits. Instead, if we choose binary, so binary, in binary also we can uniquely represent the numbers, right? Because it is either 0 or 1, okay, and every number is unique. Okay, so unique binary number corresponds to a unique decimal. Okay, how much is this? This is 4 plus 2, which is 6, right? So what we'll do is we'll convert every number. So this is basically 0 0 0 0 and 00001. Understood? And this is its binary equivalent, right? I'll do this for all the 1000 bottles. Okay, so 1000, I'm not going to do that, right? 1000 would be a very, very tedious number. Okay, so because there is a one to one mapping between these numbers, between these decimal numbers and these binary numbers, okay, so now what we're gonna do is, as you have 10 rats, okay, A2, A3, A4 up to A10 you have, and in exactly 10 binary digits or bits, you can represent every number uniquely from 1 to 1000. Okay, so suppose now what you'll do is, wherever there is 0, I will not feed that bottle. And suppose you get a number 000, suppose we talk about 1 only. Okay, all these are 0 and only the last is 1. What does this mean? That the first bottle with the label number 1 will be fed to A10 only. Okay, now let us talk about 6, because 6 you can write it as 00 falana falana, right? And then after so many zeros, last में आ जाएगा 110. ठीक है, so this is A9, this is A8, this is A10. Okay, so only these two are ones, so only the rat number 9 and rat number 8 would be fed the sixth number bottle. Okay, and so on, if you understand. So out of A1, A2, A3, maybe I'll take up some space and write A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, and A10. Suppose these rats die. Okay, well, first of all, can acha, theek hai, they can die. Okay, so if these rats die, that means the bottle was numbered this and all the other rats survive, right? Okay, so we get the binary equivalent of that decimal number, right? Now if you convert, this is to the power 0, 1, 2, maybe I'll write it this way: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So 128 plus 64 plus 8, which is this 4 you can give to 2 here, which is 130, 140, and this is 200. Okay, right? So the bottle with the label 200 is the one which is poisoned. And voila, we have solved our question, right? Depending on the unique combination of rats, okay, we will get our answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye. Love you guys.